Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Morton, and today we are going to add three-digit numbers with regrouping. So our equation is 486 plus 259. I put it in a Math Mountain format just so we know that what we're looking for. We are putting two numbers together with a plus sign, which means we're looking for the total. So even though these numbers are pretty big, we're going to find a total that's even bigger. The sum is going to be the total. That's just the top of the mountain, and it's going to be bigger than these numbers because we're combining them. So let's use the base 10 blocks first, and then we'll write it out. So first I'm going to look at 486. And if I look at the number carefully, I know this 4 represents 4 groups of 100. 1, 2, 3. Here, I'm going to go this way. Nope, I'm going to keep going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 100, 200, 300, 400. That's what this 4 represents. Then I'm going to add 8 tens. Since we're running out of space, I'm going to go sideways today. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. So here we have 80 because this 8 represents 8 tens. So this was 80 when we counted it by 10, but just to make sure, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's what that 8 represents, the 8 tens, which is 80. And then we're going to take 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Now I'm ready. So that's my number, 486. Now we're going to add 259. So if I look at my 2, this 2 right here represents 2 groups of 100. So let's add them in. 1, 2. Then I'm going to add 5 tens. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move these over here just for the time being. And we'll add, you know what, I'm also going to move these out of the way too, so we can have it a little bit more together. There we go. There, now we should have enough space for everything. Okay, let's try this one more time. There we go. There, oops, put that back. One more move. There we go. Okay, so let's go back to this. All right, so we were adding our 10s. So we added our groups, we added our 200s. Now we're going to add our 5 groups of 10. So these are 5 groups of 10 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to, I'm going to move this 5 right below here. Ooh, oops. Let's fix that one more time. There we go. There we go. Now let's add the 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Perfect. Okay. Now you'll notice, as much as I could, I tried to put my 10s in groups of 5s and my 1s in groups of 5s. The reason why I like to do this is so when I put 5 and 5 together, I know that I have to regroup either a 10 or regroup the 1s to make a 10, or regroup the 10s to make 100. So you'll see as we put it together. Now, what I love about math today is you don't have to start with the ones. You actually don't. You could start with the hundreds, you could start with the tens. It's a little bit harder and challenging to do it that way, but as long as you keep track of the regrouping, it's completely doable. So watch. But for the sake of today, I'm actually going to just start with my ones first. So here we go. Now let's look at our ones. We're adding 6 ones plus 9 ones. So remember we had 6 right here and 9 right here. And if you look real carefully at the 6 and the 9, you might notice that we made 10 right here. Do you see the 5 and 5? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we put these together like this, we can make it into a group of 10. And we can move it over here. Okay, so then we're left with just 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that right here. 5. It was actually 6 plus 9 made 15. Here's the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But because we had 10 ones, we made it into a group of 10. So we had to regroup the 10 with regroup the ones to make a 10. So now we're going to count our tens. If you look at 8 tens plus 5 tens plus that one more 10, you'll notice that there is a group of 100 here. Do you see it? It's right here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Look at that. So if 10 tens makes 100. Look at that. And then how many tens are we left with? 10, 20, 30, 40. So now we have 40. Now it wasn't just 40. Remember, this was the group that we regrouped. So remember it was like this? We had it like this. So it wasn't just 40, it was 140. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is 14 groups of 10. Inside 14 groups of 10, we have 10 tens, which makes one group of 100. 10 tens makes 100. So now let's count out our hundreds now that everything's been regrouped. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So here we have 700 plus 40 plus 5. Let's add it up. 700, 710, 720, 730, 740, 741, 742, 743, 744, 745. So we're saying our answer is 745. Let's take away the base 10 blocks and just try using the new groups above method, the old-fashioned way to add. I'm just going to erase the rest of this. Nope, we don't want to clear all. We just want to clear this part. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite the equation. 486 plus 259. Okay, so first I'm going to add 6 plus 9. And I know that 6 plus 9 made 15. If I'm not sure, I can count on from 9, 6. So here I have 1, 2, and this represents a 10 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just to make sure, let's count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to put the 5 here and regroup that 10 above. Then I'm going to add 1 10 plus 8 tens makes 9 tens, and 9 tens plus 5 tens, that's going to make 14. I know it's 14 because that's 1 less than 6 plus 9, which we said was 15. But since we're adding 9 plus 6, that has to be a little bit smaller than 15. 9 plus 5 is 14. So then I regroup that 100, because now remember how we said that was 14 tens? 14 tens makes 140. Then we're going to add our hundreds. 100 plus 400 is 500, plus 200 is 745. And there's our answer right there, 745. If you want to see it in picture form, it would look like this: 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 200, 100, 200, plus 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So if you look at your ones, 6 ones plus 9 ones makes 15. See it right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So let's change this to black. 5 and 5 make a 10. So we're regrouping it here. And that just leaves us with 5. And then if we look at our 10s, we see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So then we're going to take these 10 tens and regroup it to 100. If you want, you can redraw it. I'm going to redraw it. And then we're left with this for our 10s. We have 10, 20, 30, 40. And lastly, we're going to add our hundreds together. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, plus that regrouped 100, 700. And if we put it together, that makes 700 plus 40 plus 5, 745. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope this was able to help you with your adding 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Thank you.